Hello, my name is Riya Kothari and I am currently pursuing MCA from IIPS JAVV. So, we are here to understand the solution of some questions in theory of computations. Let's start. Now, before starting understanding the solution of questions, let's discuss some list of rules that describe how a valid sentence can be produced. As we can see, a sentence is made up of a noun phrase followed by a verb phrase. A noun phrase is made up of an article followed by an adjective followed by a noun. Or a verb phrase is made up of a verb followed by an adverb, or a verb phrase is made up of a verb. We see some types of article, adjectives, noun and verb. Here we have some set of terminals, set of non-terminals and set of productions, as we can see in the screen. Here we can see a question on the screen. Just let's start with the sentence. We know the overall structure of the sentence. Finish a sentence typically consists of two main parts, subject and predicate. Sometimes the subject is happy here and the predicate is one. According to the grammar rules, it can be broken down into two parts, noun phrase and verb phrase. Here, in the all four questions, each here noun phrase, verb phrase. Here we can see noun phrase. In noun phrase, here is the happy here. Noun phrase is made up of three parts: article, adjective, and noun. For this example, we can see article with the adjective happy, noun is here. Next, we have verb phrase runs, which tells us what the subject is doing. Using intransitive verb here because object doesn't involve. If object involves in subject, then we use transitive verb, as we can see in another example. By putting this all together, we can form a sentence like the happy here, sleepy tortoise runs quickly, and many more. It is intransitive and transitive verb. If sentence doesn't involve an object, we can use intransitive verb. A transitive verb is one that makes sense only if it exerts its action on an object. Here we can see a question: construct derivation trees for the sentences the happy here runs. We can see here a tree-like structure: sentence followed by noun phrase, intransitive verb phrase, noun phrase followed by article, adjective, noun followed by the happy here, intransitive verb phrase followed by intransitive verb followed by runs. Derivation tree. Top note represent the sentence structure. The structure branches into two parts: noun phrase and intransitive verb phrase. The noun phrase consists of three parts: article, adjective, noun. The intransitive verb phrase consists of just the intransitive verb runs. Word in the sentence correspond to a leaf node in a tree. These three demonstrate the syntactic structure of the sentence. The happy here runs according to the given grammar rules. This is the final derivative tree for the sentence. The happy here runs. We have another question. For each of the string, determine whether it is generated by the grammar given for postfix notation. If it is, find the step used to generate the string. Let's take the first string ABC, null operator, add operator. This string is generated by the grammar. Let's see how. Start with the top level rule, which is expression. Follow the rules step by step. We first encounter the rule for expression, which involves term followed by the term followed by the add operator. Continuing, we see that each term consists of factor followed by the factor followed by null operator. And finally, each factor consists of an identifier such as A, B or C. Therefore, we can see that the string is generated as A, B, C plus null operator, A, B, C null operator plus operator. XY plus string is not generated by the grammar, it doesn't follow the defined rule. Similarly, in all these strings generated by the grammar, we can break it down and see from the top level rule expression, and then we can see the string is generated as or by the grammar. So in simple terms, for each string we start with the top level rule and then follow the production rule step by step to construct the string according to the grammar. If the string can be constructed